easily with the glider. I figure we'll try to fill out this here book by getting the blueprints. I don't remember where to get all of them, but we'll see what happens. Let's go this way. Right about there. This one will be the Solifite generator, I believe it's called, something along nail science. That was great. Good work there, Chief. We can build something better at some point. What? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. There it goes. Well. Look at it go. Wow. Nature. Alright, well, that's fine. Do we have a night 5 around here? We sure do. Okay, you made some friends down here. Okay, let's see. Let's try to remember that south side. Go shoot him. Look at this. Let me expose Virginia as a fraud. As long as those mutants can't get to me, to hostile me, and by that I mean attack me, Virginia won't ever shoot him. She's a fraud. She's not your friend. Don't believe her. Look, what is she doing? Why don't they attack her? Oh, because they think she's a mutant because she has an extra arm and leg. She looks nothing like them. Even without that, why is she not shooting them? But if I go down there and he swings on me, she'll shoot him. Or she'll just run away like a fucking coward. What is she doing? Here, watch. We'll bait him into attacking me and see if she'll start firing. Come on. There you go. It's almost like I've played 2,000 hours. 2,000 hours. It's a new number. In 2,000 hours you can do something like that too. Like swing and hit the mountain. Don't mind me. Come on. Come on, baby. Virginia is so useless. What is she even doing? Here she comes, making the big plays. Runs right up to the fingers. Did she forget that it's hostile? There, I blocked one. Now she pulls out the shotgun. Now she's gonna help. That was a miss. Wow. Where'd it go? I don't even know. Did you get it? Cheapers. No, you didn't. Okay. We got some mutant on mutant action in more ways than one. Dude. I thought that thing was alive. Wowee, Virginia. Good work. There's helicopter Christian. It's lovely up here. This is what we're going for. It's on the west side of the island. Southwest. Pretty easy to spot. There we go. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. Let's see if this still scares her. Huh. That's a little weird. Usually good guys aren't afraid of crosses. Mostly berries, but likely to be a skeleton here. Do you hear that splash? I think that was a berry falling to the world, but I'm not 100% sure. Just a theory. I'm pretty sure. What a lovely smile. Let's take these two. Nope. Alright, so now we can go get the turtle shell trampoline doohickey, which is where's the okay, it's like out here maybe. There's that orange. I'll get that empty bunker. Next is a big crevice up here. Oh. I overshot it. Excuse me. I'll take this. There it is. $14 logs, are you kidding me? Hey. It's 13 logs. I don't know. Weird. Okay. Now here, I think there's stuff over there. We can go this way. Got the zone. Oh shit. Where is it? There it is. Kapow. Let's go for a cruise, I guess. Actually. Oh. Shit. What the fuck? I can't walk over a pallet that's laying flat on the ground. Stupid bitch. We are sliding all over the place. It is very cold. some hair on that one. Who's left? Scare tactic. Really? Wow. Very, very manly. Brave. I don't even know where you went. Cut down the bushes first. It's very important. There we go. Nerds. Alright, well. Let's go get the revolver, I guess. Oops. Why do we have to look at it for so long? What is this? Could I just send a text message for that one? Hey. Oh, you little shit. Dude, what? 3 armor. Come on. Send him a sex tape. That's fucking unhinged behavior. Oh, I don't want to watch the sex tape. Oh god, that thing just barfed. What's this one? I can't keep all this shit straight. Are we the good guys?
Oh, you piece of shit. I suck ass. What am I doing? Okay, well. Cool.
They're multiplying. sorry, these are not vegan. Got an idea. Oh. This is part one of the idea. Where are you, big bitch? Oh, she's tough. Oh dear. Lot of bitches up in here tonight. Whoa, sir. Sir. Excuse me. Gotta watch out for that bird. Whoa, bird, watch out. Scary. There was a guy somewhere. He's gone. We got like 2 blueprints. That wasn't very much. We got the revolver. We lost a couple armors. That did happen. It was worth it though. What? Oh my god. A reminder of what we did. Never forget. Alright, well. I guess next time we'll keep looking for more. I should probably save.